it's around 4, 5, 6 o'clock in the evening. I spoke to some of the senior people in my family. One from IIT, one is a senior police gentleman who has completed 25 years. One is a gentleman who has completed, he's from IIT, he was there, he fought the election this time. Now I'll give you a real narration of what is it. The place Pandey is famous for Kal Bhairanath. That is the goddess being, or the god being worshipped over here. Why is it that they celebrate Bagad? You see this? This is Bagad. This specific thing is called as Bagad. Why is it being celebrated? All throughout the year, farmers in the traditional times used to toil and work very hard to produce one specific product or one specific farm output. And it was all on rains. Just so that the production is on a better scale, they celebrated this festival, and which is across the Maharashtra we had Puran Poli. Today they will give sweet naivedya to God Bhairanath, that is Puran Poli. All throughout the year, small sheep and goat and male goat also will be there. There's a female goat and a male version of goat also there. They'll be breeding and they'll be rising through this year. Lamb and goat. Goat is a English word. Lamb. Goat and the male version of goat also there. So all through the year they'll be breeding, growing, and now they cut the goat tomorrow, and it is distributed amongst everyone. Around 3,000 people will eat goat tomorrow. That is the male version of goat, and it is given at a concession rate. Traditionally, it was a philosophy that we have raised the goats all throughout the year, and they celebrate these things because in the ancient era, eating goat, eating Puran Puli on an everyday basis, or going for
Celebrating
orchestra.
Bagada.
Huh?
Bagada.
This is the Bagad. Going for orchestra or going for other things. So this bulls, okay, bulls will run for one specific sector. This is black soil, which can be seen, and it is very hard to run the carriage in this black soil. So these people will be doing it. So probably I have cleared how the Bagad came into the picture. It is a traditional way of celebrating and
एक मिनट
तू माझ्या प्रॉपर्टीमध्ये ready, sir. So this is a traditional way of celebrating Bagad. My beloved wife Uma is with me. She is my source of inspiration all throughout my life. Now we have 5 years together, and we got 2 beautiful kids in, and she is the real pillar behind me. My daughter, we have had to give tremendous amount of water because it's very hot over here. It is Uma's contribution everywhere. So I hope I have cleared the concept of Bagad. It is the harvest completion of one calendar year during producing the harvest. That might be sugar cane. This part is known for sugar cane. This part is known for groundnuts. So they celebrate, and it is in the name of Kal Bhairanath. Now there will be one circle completed, and there will be one goat which will put beneath one tire over there. You see that yellow building? There will be one goat which will put beneath the tire. So likewise, we are a country of diversity with different things being celebrated. So let us be together. Let us celebrate everything in the right spirit and in the true spirits, and be happy about it. My daughter is with the brinjal, which is again given by police uncle. He has completed 25 years in the police service. Ravi, show the brinjal. Ravi, brinjal.
Hi Dada.
So I hope I have, with the help of seniors like Santosh sir and IIT sir, I have taken. He is Santosh sir. He has completed 25 years in the police, and he is still serving. He is Uma's elder brother, and he gave me the backdrop that it is a season where after cultivating crop for 1 year, they